this is why the waxy potato is so great, right? It shreds, it holds its shape. You can put them together in the latkes and make those potato pancakes, and yet they still soak up all of that delicious flavor. And this recipe, it's worth taking a look at because they do combine celery root and carrots with the potatoes, but then she adds a smoked trout dip. So this is hands down for holiday, an absolutely terrific recipe if you want to serve potato pancakes. So unless your recipe gives you a qualifier, like say waxy potato for the latke recipe, or you need a starchy potato like for the dumpling recipe, then your choice is going to be Yukon Gold, right? That's what you're going to go for. That's what you're going to stock in your kitchen as your regular everyday potato that you're going to use.